morning. Called them. They said they did get the fax. So hopefully I get my wallet and my phone, which are crucial. Hello.
So busy right now. Okay, you already?
I like this pen right here. Nice pen.
Okay. So if you can put in here that you're gonna pick up your belongings, please.
Mhm. Yeah. Wait, picking up my belongings. Only
Well,
what's
it
in the
says
car,
right
not my
here,
car, right? Not my car.
Property release. Property release.
So wait, is it?
Permit Jennifer to this go, which means property release, no car.
Oh, okay, it means
Is
no
that
car.
okay? I'm sorry.
Oh, I'm taking it up with them. If you can see, I have all their codes written all over my vehicle. Okay, and so yeah, I'm
Well,
definitely
you
going
can
after
start-
them.
Yeah, try to get the release. Listen, don't worry about the price. I always tell customers.
Oh
If
no,
you
I'm not
only
paying
have
nothing.
200.
No, I don't even have nothing.
100.
I don't even have that. And so it's like, no, they're gonna pay for a new vehicle for me. I mean, what they're doing is criminal, especially with me
But
delegating.
why? No, but why did they tow it?
You can see it's registered. I have insurance.
Oh.
Yeah, and
So
so
it has registration.
yeah, it's insured.
So why?
Like exactly. That's why this is
But why?
outrageous.
Let me see what it says in here.
I am
And it says income,
picking
which is
my.
driver with suspended license.
Yeah, I never had a license before. I'm allowed to travel freely upon our lands.
Did they stop you and you were driving?
It doesn't matter. I'm allowed to drive. I'm allowed to move freely upon this land. I mean, who takes somebody to jail for just traveling anyways? That is ridiculous. That's like Nazi. But my property. It's okay though. If you look at my car, I delegated it all over my car, right?
I'm sorry.
No, it's totally fine.
I
It's
wish you had the release. I could just give it to you back for free.
no.
I don't make money. You know, I like
No,
to help
it's
people.
them
Like
that's doing
yesterday,
it. It's them.
you know.
It's them that's doing it, and they keep on doing it.
And this is just a police info, so what happens is I'm in the middle.
Exactly. That's
you
why
are
I was
here,
saying too.
And the police is there. So we
And I'm gonna
follow,
make sure.
They call me and they say, pick up this truck.
Oh, of course.
So we go, pick it up, we hold it in here
Mhm.
for them until you get the release, and then they pick it up. So that's how we work.
That's why I also want to. I plan on exposing what they're doing, and it's not fair that they are also including you
No, but
in their.
we don't only work for them, we work for CHP.
No, for yourself and stuff.
Sure.
You built this company,
Oh,
not
no.
them. You know what I mean?
But that's okay. I mean,
No, but to me it isn't, because they're tarnishing reputation of tow companies because of their criminal actions towards people. That's what's not acceptable, because people work hard for their property and for their businesses, that they shouldn't be doing that. Really.
and I'm so sorry.
No, you're totally fine.
If
I'm
you
glad that you
have
gave me my
time
stuff.
to get the release,
Uh-huh.
I mean, or if you're able, then do it.
Well, yeah, of course I'm trying to.
Alright, if you wanna come and just.
Oh, am I coming this way?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
So make sure you leave one key with the vehicle.
Oh, cool. Yeah, I just need to get my key to my
Do you
home.
need a bag?
Right there.
Do you need a plastic bag?
Oh, no, there's mostly just garbage in there because I was taking out my trash when they stopped
So
me.
make sure you leave one key only with the vehicle.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Awesome. Thank you. This is my purse. I stole my phone. They did. They stole my phone. Oh wow! Like, where's my phone at? People stole my phone. Oh my god! They stole my. Okay, there it is. Got it. My phone, which is good. My battery, I think. Scissors. Garbage, but I'll just dump it out and use this as my bag for now. Get my stuff, my paperwork. Just have to get my paperwork now. Oh, paperwork. It sucks that I have to stuck with them. There's my credit card. Oil. Flag. It's so sad that people don't know the law. Really, that's what's really sad. Okay, really, I just needed those things. There's nothing else, and here's trash. I was on my way to the trash. This I have to come back to work. Complete full bag. Wait, there we go. This in here. Put my ID in here. Oh my god. I at once. Wait. Oh, shit. I was hoping I only had to come back for that one thing. Like that. That battery, man. Here's a letter from the police department right here. This is exactly what I needed to be able to continue this lawsuit. Grab one more thing. I'm sorry, get it. But here.
It was right on the seat.
Oh, okay, fine.
Yeah.
Here, this one is just my phone keys. So. I definitely needed this police letter right here, though. That's how I'm suing them. I needed that code right there. I can grab whatever I want, and hey, we just paid for that battery, so we can take it back. So why don't we just take the battery out? Come on.
Let me get your tools. Will be here.
Bring that tool. Yeah, make sure she doesn't really. Fucking battery. Basically mine. She said take my property. I was waiting for. I don't think you need all of that, right? Or no? Yeah. You don't need any of that.
No, I'm making sure, honey. I don't want to make you trick, okay?
Do you need a plastic bag?
Oh, no, it's okay. I just needed his help with something. I just bought that fucking battery, man. Oh, well. Popped the wrong. Oh, okay. Jack's not there. I just bought it.
But you can take
Oh, well, that I just bought that. Okay, I just bought it. I have a different battery. That one's just warranty, and I just bought it.
I just bought this one.
Yeah, it's ridiculous that they have it. I don't even know why they impounded it.
No, but he could get it out.
You think you could get it?
He could get the keys and I could keep
Really?
release the car to someone else.
Yeah, because I don't. No, I never had one.
It doesn't matter.
Okay.
You go there,
Uh-huh.
you just said, okay, I cannot pick up my car.
You want to try to do that?
I want my friend to do it and he has a license.
Okay.
A lot of people do that.
Oh, okay. Oh,
And they're sleepy. People
let's try
with
it.
no license. People with no license because they're illegal here for some reason. So they come and I always tell them, go to the police and tell them you have a friend
Oh, okay.
that has a license.
Let's try that. Let's try that. Yeah.
And we can just have the car back, yeah?
Yeah, if somebody has a license. That's what she said.
Need to have a license.
Yeah. Let's go try that. Back up. No, it's okay. I just didn't. No, they didn't tell us that. I didn't know that. Yeah, we'll call them. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, it should be. Yeah, it should be no problem. Okay. Let's try that. Okay, CHP. Don't call the. Okay, just go. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Oh. Okay.
You had me go sign. I should have my driver's license.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna try that. That's a good idea. I didn't know that. I know. Okay. Okay, cool. There you go. No, save it. I put it there for them. Yes, it is everywhere.
Is your solar back in there?
No, it's not in there. I just needed to get my cord that attaches to it, and I got that, so. This bag stinks. So can we roll down the window or what? But I needed a bag to put.
Where is it?
I don't
I'm
know.
trying to check.
No, I don't know. I saw it though. Where did I see
here?
it? I think I saw it in that thing. That thing right there.
Is it here?
This thing, I think it's in that thing right there. Did you see it? That thing, that's right there. That thing, okay?
The thing.
Yeah, that bag. That bag right there.
Please fasten driver seatbelt.
Here, probably not.